Good morning everyone. This is my YouTube channel. In this channel we learn class 7 mathematics through NCERT book. We can see this is the NCERT book. We completed many topics, introduction and some statements and also these questions, and we started to solve exercise 1.1 question 1, 2 and 3 we completed. Today we will learn question number 4. First you read what the question was say. A plane is flying at the height of 5 meters above the sea level. Suppose that this is C. Okay, suppose that this is C. What is this? This is C. This is C, level of C. Okay, a plane is flying at the height of 5 meters above. Above means upper part, upper part. Okay, 5 meters, 5 meter, this part. Okay, this part, and at the particular point it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. We go below the sea level. What you get? A submarine. This part is the submarine, and above the submarine 2 meter 1200 meter 1200 meter above the submarine, where the floating the submarine under the sea. The question is say that this is the sea level. A plane is flying 5,000 meter above the sea level, and a submarine is float below the sea level 1200 meter. Okay, we can write this question like that. A plane is flying at the height of plane is flying at the height how many 5,000 meter, and second is submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. A submarine is floating below the sea level. It means that minus 12 meter. This is the above part. We know that this is the above. You can use plus sign. This is the below, use minus sign. Okay, this is the level of sea. You can see this is the level of sea, above 500 meter and below 1200 meter. The question is asked, what is the vertical distance between them? The question is asked, the vertical distance between plane and submarine, between them. We can see distance, vertical distance means like that, standing line. Vertical distance means a standing line. This is the standing line. Here, what is the distance between them? This part to this part. Flying a plane or and a submarine. We get 5,000 plus 1,200. We get 6,200 meter. This is the distance, vertical distance. Take care. Bye.